Welcome back to Muzansi Chess Academy. Today we are continuing with our chess tactic part 2. Stay tuned until the end and continue watching Muzansi Chess. The next chess tactic we're gonna look at is the interference. Interference occurs when the line between an attacked piece and its defender is interrupted by imposing a piece. In this example, these two rooks right here are defending each other. So white can play this beautiful move, knight c6. So by playing this move, it's a check, and white is interrupting this defender of this piece. So this piece now is unprotected and it's a check. So white will move, black will move, then white can just capture the rook like this. So eventually white is gonna gain material. On number 7 we have overloading. Overloading is when one piece is assigned to protect multiple pieces, squares, or thread at the same time. To understand, let's look at this example right here. This bishop right there is protecting this square for checkmate, and it's also protecting this piece, the pawn right there and the rook at the same time. So white is what to play. White can take advantage of that and play bishop b7. This piece right there is overloaded, so black cannot capture back, because if they capture back, queen f5 is a checkmate, so that piece is overloaded. The next chess tactic in our list is deflection. The idea here is to deflect an enemy piece from an important square. Let's look at the example here. Here we can see that the king is protecting that rook, so we have to deflect that king, then we just capture the rook with our rook there. So white can play bishop capture, bishop h7. Now it's a check, so the king has to move or capture the piece. So if the king moves there, we just capture the rook. So it's better for the black king to just win the bishop, and we just take 5 points back. Our chess tactic number 9 is decoy. Decoy is a tactic where you set up a trap for your opponent. It's kind of related to deflection. However, in decoy, we force an opponent to move his piece to a particular square. Such square is generally called poison square. So in this example right here, we can see that black is dominating the game. So black have checkmate in 1. So white has to play a brilliant move now. So this will be a checkmate. If the king was right there, we can just play rook c8. So all the squares are covered with this. So this one can be a checkmate, but white cannot move there. So we have to force the king to come there. So the best move that white can play is to play queen sacrifice f8. So the king has to capture the queen, then we just checkmate with the rook right there. Or if the king try to run away, it's a checkmate. So the move that black has to play is to capture right there, and we have this beautiful checkmate right here. We force this king to come in. This is what is called a decoy. The next chess tactic in our list is an Xray attack. Xray attack is an indirect attack on an enemy piece, or an indirect defense through an enemy piece. To understand, let's look at the game. Here, this left square bishop is attacking that pawn through this bishop. So we can just play knight capture that pawn. So if black capture our knight, we recapture the bishop, so we win the piece. This is the example of an Xray defense. Here white can play queen e8. Even if these two pieces, the rook and the queen are not defending each other directly. They're defending each other through the black rook. So this one is a check. The king cannot move, so black is forced to capture. Then white will capture back with a checkmate. This one is an Xray defense. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in part 3. Peace.